Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars here in Addison, Illinois on this beautiful day. I got this 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo that came in from down south. New arrival from one of my wholesalers. A beautiful car, numbers matching. Monte with a big block 402, factory power steering, factory air conditioning, and factory power disc brakes as well. Just an original car, beautiful exterior, bronze brown, I think they call it, but it has been repainted once, I believe. The paint shows really nice. There definitely are some touch-ups around the vehicle. Vinyl top is in excellent condition. There's no bubbling happening throughout. Chrome, trim, weather stripping, and glass are excellent. Both quarter panels on this car have the original GM stampings. I don't see any patches on either side. Trunk is excellent throughout the vehicle. There is your spare tire and your side skirts as well, guys. Like I said, gorgeous paint. This one, obviously, because of the 402 and the turbo hydromatic 3-speed turbo 400 transmission, it does have the 12 bolt in the back. Like I said, really nice original interior, buckets, console, staple shifter, gauges, factory radio that works, seat belts intact, speakers in the back function. Even that door buzzer, that annoying door buzzer, does function along with the light there. Beautiful dash, excellent door panels, nice weather stripping throughout the car. Beautiful finish. Like I said, guys, I mean, it shows very, very well with a great stance. Underneath is solid along with the trunk like I just showed you guys. And dual side sport mirrors, no overheating, newer battery. This car is factory air conditioning. It does blow cold. Let's see, a few touch-ups around the car. Let me show you. Here's one here. Okay. There's a light one that comes out, but there's a touch-up right there on the fender. Let's see where else. A little touch-up on the quarter. You can barely see it. 5 feet away, you can't see it. Dual exhaust, if I didn't mention that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. This side looks great. All right, guys, we're going to go for a little test drive. Another little touch-up right there. Very, very minor. Hard to find these 402s, guys. Big block number matching car. Odometer showing 102. See that? Okay. All right, so let's get the keys here. Start this puppy up. All right. Horn functions. Wipers work like they should. Windows roll up nice and easy. Your FM.
So, fire fell from heaven and
FM AM radio. Okay, let's turn this on here. All right, so it's blowing cold mildly. Doesn't have a lot of pressure. You might need a fan switch. There we go. Okay, now it's working. Okay. So that functions as well, guys. Beautiful dash, like I mentioned. Headliner's excellent in the car. Let's go for a drive. This car is really a nice driver. I've always said that Monte Carlos drive a lot better than the Chevelles, even though it's the same frame, but they do just drive better. I don't have my phone holder here, so I'm just going to hold it. Fuel gauge, most likely we'll need a sending unit, but everything else there does function. Clock, these things never work. But if you take that apart and clean the ends of them, plug it back in, most likely it will work. I've done it many times, guys. I just don't have time now. I got 230 cars that are sitting here. Drives very smooth down the road. It brakes very well. Okay, brakes straight, no hands on the steering wheel. No issues there. Power steering works great. No weird noises on a full turn. Let's go for a little pump here. Shift's excellent. That's third right there. And it brakes really good too. There you have it, folks. MGM Classic Cars here at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. We do deliver. If you need delivery, you need to call me, text me with your zip code, and I can get that going for you. My number is 847-848-1850. We have over 225 cars in this building here to my left, guys. 35,000 plus square feet and about 100 cars loaded outside. So come on by and check us out here in Addison. If not, we can deliver as well. Financing, not a problem. Call or text. My number is 847-848-1850. Thank you for watching. MGMClassicCars.com.